How to lose belly fat in one night with this diet. Do you think that losing belly fat in one night is possible? I know what you think. You probably think that it is crazy, but you're wrong. Yes, you can lose belly fat in one night, and you are going to learn how in this video. But first, we will discuss what fat is, types of fat, and the effect fat can have in your body. Then we will share with you the diet you must follow to lose belly fat in one night. Getting rid of fat around your belly generally involves fixing your diet and engaging in core exercises. That's a surefire way of burning fat permanently, but it takes some time and a whole lot of effort. Luckily, there's a diet that boosts your body's natural ability to burn fat and allows you to lose belly fat overnight. It might sound like pure hype, but plenty of anecdotal evidence suggests that it's incredibly useful. To get a better appreciation of this diet, it's essential first to have a good understanding of belly fat and when it becomes a health problem. Having fat around the belly isn't necessarily bad. Fat is essential to a variety of bodily functions. That includes storing energy, providing insulation, and protecting your organs. However, too much fat could be detrimental to your health, especially if it's a particular type. There are two types of fat around the belly. The first is called subcutaneous fat, which sits just below the skin. The other, more sinister kind of fat is called visceral fat, which envelops organs and could keep them from functioning correctly. Often, having a big belly means you have too much visceral fat, which you should work on before it causes serious illnesses like heart disease and stroke. All bodies are different, so a stomach that's too big for you might be just right for another person. But generally, waists are considered too fat if it measures at least 35 inches for women or 40 inches for men. If you fall under that category, this diet should be perfect for you. It works because it allows your body to fast. According to a study published by Nutrition Reviews in 2015, fasting helps reduce not only body fat and body weight, but also cholesterol, which has a significant impact on your overall health. After this diet, you won't just enjoy a flatter belly, but you'll also experience more energy because of its potent detoxifying effects. To engage in this belly fat burning diet, there's really not much to prepare, but you need to make sure you have lots of water on hand. Plus, it would help if you had a juicer so you can prepare fresh juices. Otherwise, you can use store-bought juices. Just make sure you opt for the ones with no added sugars. Also, try to do this on a day when you don't expect to do a lot of physical labor so you can support your detox with some rest. When you're ready, follow this schedule of drinks you should take throughout the day. 8 a.m. 8 ounces of warm water with the juice of half a lemon. 10 a.m. 4 ounces of warm water with 4 ounces of orange juice. 12 noon, 1 cup green tea. 1 p.m., 4 ounces of cold water with 4 ounces of carrot juice. 3 p.m., 1 cup green tea. 5 p.m., 8 ounces of your preferred unsweetened juice. 7 p.m., 1 cup green tea. 9 p.m., 4 ounces of cold water with 4 ounces of grapefruit juice. 10 p.m., 4 ounces of warm water with 4 ounces of lemon juice. Keep in mind that, in between these specified beverages, you should drink as much water as you feel you need. It's also important to note that you should immediately stop this diet if you have severe hunger pangs or experience weakness and nausea. Your body will tell you what it can handle. It would be best if you listen to it. Also, don't do this diet if you have a history of illnesses or chronic diseases. Fat around the belly is incredibly difficult to get rid of. However, engaging in this diet will help you burn fat overnight. In just one night, you should be able to feel significant results. While it might not be healthy for you to do this every day, it should be safe for you to engage in this diet once in a while in preparation for an occasion or simply to keep your belly fat in check. Over time, as long as you don't binge in between diet days, you should expect to achieve the flat stomach you've always hoped for and would love to show off. Following is the study reference we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.